Yo, yo, yo. Larry Lots back in the spot again. It's good, man. Today's just a video because, I was just a mix of undisciplined and a mix of unfocused. And I had so much going on. I was trying to stream today because I'm off. Got the stream up. Said it was like buffering and not enough video feed was going through. So like in the middle of that happening, I'm also watching on my phone to make sure like the audio's coming through, the video is paused, it's not happening. So I'm like, all right, I gotta fix that, and I gotta trade. I'm watching it. I'm not even realizing how much time is passing. It's 9:40 something. Time for me to trade. I'm looking at videos on my one computer. I'm trying to have the trading stuff up here. I'm looking. I'm like, all right, let me get into a trade. I got into this trade up here. All right, we had this pattern, so I'm not too mad at it. But I had a worse entry because I'm like, all right, it's gonna close above. Then I'm looking at the videos and I'm trying to fix the settings. And I come back, bad entry. All right, not too bad of a risk. I'm like, dang, I have that bad of a risk. I gotta add another position so that I can, either trail or if it wins, I'll get more profit. I don't know what it is. I was also down from yesterday, so kind of thinking about that a little bit. Yeah, first trade lost. Luckily, I was on. Not luckily, I had won a trading agent session last night on one of my fundeds. I ended up taking the trade on that account because I reset the copy trade for the New York session accounts, but I didn't switch the accounts to them. I only set them up. So I ended up losing on the Asian session. So I'm basically breaking even. I'm down 30. I'm like, in my head, I'm like, wow, I just lost. I just basically lost money that I earned. I took the trade on my real New York session accounts, and then I retook the same idea on the Asian session account, and it lost, as you can see right here. And so then I said, all right, let me see what I missed. It made a new hourly high. It closed. It has to retrace. I set up all my zones. I'm like, all right, cool. If it's gonna buy, it's gonna come test either 15-minute or 5-minute reversal, or 5-minute, which is purple, get a 1-minute reversal, and give you some push to the upside. Use the hourly lows, sit back, do nothing. Price came down here, tested, pushed up a lot with a wick. I said, oh yeah, can't miss that. Gotta get in. Got in right around here. Stop loss down here. Risk is already too high. Because first I was gonna do it to 5-minute. It's not terrible. Like risk 50. Waited till it came to here. Then I didn't even hold either. So I was here. Now, risk one contract, which is fine. That would have been like less than 200. It was 200 on the Asian session account because I took it again. I'm supposed to be trading only during Asian. And I took it on my New York session account. Except since I'm down, I took it for 2 contracts, which is just 3 something, which means if I lose again, I'll lose slightly less than 700 for the day. I was like, yeah, nah. Supposed to be limiting my loss to 550. The one contract would have been fine, especially if this goes all the way back to the top. Like, that's like a $400. I would be green on the day. Like, it's no need to be trading how I was trading. So, price is coming down, price coming down. I realize I'm not in the right mental state, so I just closed the trade early. Like this could hold up for the hourly and go all the way back to the top. That would just be a loss of my day. I know the system works. I wasn't working with the system today, so I ended up taking a loss on my accounts. I actually just locked every single account out and then closed it down. Down 550 on this, down 550 on that one. I'm down 384 on that. This account was up, mind you. It was up 380, I think. So that's like a $760+ swing. Well, because I knew I was in the right emotional state, and I really didn't want to lose close to 700 if it didn't work out. Mainly because it could work out, but I got in before confirmation. So I wasn't confident that it would work out, and I wasn't willing to accept the risk because what makes you accept the risk is if you get into a trade following your ideas. For example, like right now. Price gave the 1-minute reversal pattern. Now I have full confidence that, if it goes back up, boom. If not, that's on me. And look at the risk I would have had. 69, that's 70, 70, 140, 280. I could have 2 contracts, 280, way better entry, way better risk reward. And I have the furthest stop loss you can have, and I have nothing to worry about. Like, I ended up closing right. It's just unfortunate because I didn't have it before I closed, but I just realized I wasn't in the right mindset. So I had to just get off the charts. And I locked out all my accounts, so I couldn't do anything dumb. Even the one that's green, that was the eval. But it's like the funded curse, man. Once you get to a good place, I don't know. So, anyways, I'm down 559 on each account today. Price probably is going to go back up. Still exactly what I was hoping it would do, but I didn't give it a chance to do it when I wanted it to do it. And that's just me. That's just execution error. If you have a plan, trust the plan. Stick with the plan. So, it's not a super long video today. Down on your accounts. Gonna just let it play out. And that's on me. I have a system that I know works. When I don't work with the system, that's when I get bad results. So, yeah, not much else to say, man. Yeah, if you have a system, follow it. Like, losses are going to happen. I took a loss at the top with the buys. This second, even if this trade doesn't win, it's up right now. So I don't know what's going to happen. So it's like, I had a system that I know could work, and I didn't wait for it. I FOMO'd in, worst entry, then I over leveraged. And then once you start making too many decisions, it leads to bad. Like the other account, I could have kept open because that one had proper risk. But then I started thinking to myself, like, yo, you're not even supposed to be trading this account. So, yeah, I just closed everything out. I got tomorrow to trade, and yeah, I don't think I'm gonna trade Friday. I'm trying to stay away from Fridays, so probably won't trade Friday. Plus, we got news. It's not 10 a.m. news, but yeah, we got news on Friday. Couldn't make the market move, but Fridays have been going into weekends. Kind of always moves a little weird for me. So, anyways, thanks for tuning to the video. I'm gonna catch you on the next one. Peace.